Are you looking to make money through affiliate marketing? Imagine earning passive income by promoting products or services you love. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative business model where you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, choose a niche that interests you and has a good audience. It's essential to select a field that not only sparks your passion, but also has the potential to attract a significant following. Whether it's technology, fitness, or skincare, find something you're passionate about. Next, look for affiliate programs within your niche. Some popular programs include Amazon Associates, known for its diverse product range, and ClickBank, which focuses on digital products. Don't limit yourself to these options. You can also join specific brand programs like Nike or Apple. Now, it's time to create content. Think about crafting engaging blog posts, informative videos, or captivating social media posts that revolve around your niche. Incorporate affiliate links subtly into your content, ensuring it adds value to your audience. Make sure to disclose that you're using affiliate links to maintain transparency. But how do you drive traffic to your content? The answer lies in a few key strategies. Leverage the power of search engine optimization, social media, and email marketing. These tools help you attract visitors to your blog or YouTube channel. Use targeted keywords in your blog posts and promote your content on platforms like Instagram. Make sure your content encourages visitors to click on affiliate links. Design persuasive product reviews or offer exclusive discount codes. Use compelling call to actions and enticing headlines to boost conversions. Remember, every detail matters, from color schemes to button placement. Be creative and focus on optimizing for conversions. To track your affiliate marketing success, use tools like Google Analytics. Recognize the power of data in refining your strategy. Keep an eye on the numbers, interpret them, and tweak your approach based on those insights. This will help you maximize your earnings. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide to making money with affiliate marketing. Remember, select your niche, find suitable programs, create engaging content, promote wisely, optimize for conversions, and track your performance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and strategies for making money online. Happy affiliate marketing!